Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a reliable backup. Copy the modpack profile and the mods folder so you can restore if needed. Once done, open the Curseforge app and select the modpack you intend to change. You need to verify which mods support the target Minecraft version, because Curseforge won't magically convert incompatible mods. Make sure you note the mod loader, forge, or fabric, and the exact Minecraft version you want before moving to installation steps. Next, you create a new installation in Curseforge configured to the target Minecraft version. Click Add Installation or Create New Profile, select the precise Minecraft version, and choose the same mod loader type. Then export or list your current mods so you can migrate only those compatible. You will manually move compatible mod files into the new Profiles Mods folder, because changing the base version in place risks crashes. This ensures a clean environment and controlled testing of each migrated mod. Finally, launch the new installation once to create its default config files, then close the game. Copy over only compatible mods and any necessary config files from the backup, and start the new profile again to test stability. If the game crashes, don't panic. Restore your backup and identify the offending mod by adding mods back one at a time. Make sure to match mod versions to the Minecraft version. That one step often fixes persistent crashes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.